Alright guys, today we are very excited because we have a box. I wonder what it could be. Alright, it's a shoe box. So likely inside there's shoes. This is from a new brand called Opus footwear, and they sent me this, and I wanted to give these a try. That was a very loud noise, which I wasn't expecting. So these are slip-ons, Opus slip-ons. I've been skating the Braille slip-ons for quite some time, and I love them. I actually think they're my new favorite pair of shoes. So when I saw that Opus made the slip-on and they sent me them, I thought to myself, well, let's give them a shot, Aaron. You ever talk to yourself in third person? Me neither. Okay, well, on first box opening, the sole looks good. Looks like it's nice and grippy, and it looks like it has a dual layer here of rubber, which would be good for the wearability, durability. And then right here, that's a little bit of friction, traction. What do you want to call it? A little rough? Yeah, it's interesting because I've never seen it like that. I thought to myself, is there supposed to be laces in there? And they didn't come with laces, but there are no holes. But you see that? How there's like a built-in tongue. So you can see the difference between mine, just like a little bit of elastic right there. You can kind of see the difference in those two styles. Both very clean, black. They're very similar looking just in terms of how the shoe looks. Yeah, like I said, I've been rocking these slip-ons for a long time. And like I said, I think they're my new favorite pair. So I'm interested to slide these on, see how they feel. Left guy going in first. Slip-ons are so weird. Aren't they weird?
I love slip-ons.
Yeah, me too. They feel like they shouldn't work, but they do. Okay, feeling pretty good. I'm not like it's funny, even though I've designed and made my own shoes and made a lot of shoes, I'm not I still couldn't just look at a shoe and go, oh yeah, that's a vulcanized sole, that's a cup sole, etc. The ones that I was just wearing are cup soles. They have a lot of support.
What does that mean? These
feel like vulcanized, but I can't quite tell. Vulcanized, it's a difference in the way that the shoe is made. Let's just get a very exact, specific definition from the internet.
ChatGPT?
Should we ChatGPT?
Yeah.
What is vulcanized shoe versus cup sole? What is the difference? The difference between vulcanized soles and cup soles in skateboarding shoes lies in their construction, performance, and durability. Here's the breakdown. Vulcanized sole, construction. The sole is attached to the shoe using a heat and pressure process called vulcanization. A thin layer of rubber wraps around the shoe's edge, which I think is what this is. I think that's the thin layer of rubber, but I don't know. I could be very wrong on that. Flexibility, more flexible and lighter. So this does feel very flexible and light. Board feel offers excellent board feel and grip because of the inner sole and minimal padding. Break-in time, quick to break in, making the time feel ready almost immediately. Durability, they're less durable compared to cup soles. Thinner construction wears down faster. Preferred for skaters who prioritize board feel and precision for flip tricks and technical skating. Okay, then cup sole construction. The sole is a single molded piece of rubber stitched and glued to the upper. It often includes multiple layers for support. So I know this from designing the shoes. They always say uppers. How are the uppers? The upper is this part here, yeah? Suede. And I would be like, upper? What are they talking about? Support provides better impact protection and foot support due to thicker padding. That's why those Braille shoes are super comfortable. Durability, more durable. The thicker construction withstands wear and tear longer. Board feel, less board feel compared to vulcanized soles, but newer designs aim to improve this. That's interesting. Break-in time, takes longer to break in. Preferred for skaters who need extra cushioning for big drops, stairs, or gaps. Or maybe you're a 41-year-old skater who skates flat ground and you want your feet to not hurt all the time. You know, maybe that too. Which one should you choose, vulcanized or cup sole? Leave it in the comments below. Would you prefer a Vulc or a cup? Hold my phone for me before I break it. Okay, so I wanted to do a little challenge, which now I just told you to hold my phone, now I need it again. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 15 minutes. 15 minutes and counting. Now when that goes off, you gotta stop me.
Okay.
Timer's all the way up. See how many tricks I can do in 15 minutes on the brand new. That's trick one. We're counting that. And we're frontside 180. God, they feel so different. They feel weird. I don't know, Chloe. I think they are vulcanized because they feel so different. Or maybe it's just the way the shoe mold is that's very different. Okay, ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, kickflip. That's 4 tricks. I'm winded. I'm way too old for this. Pop shove, front shove. Wow, it's a terrible pop shove, but we're gonna take it. Front shove. Wow, it's a beautiful pop shove, front shove. We'll take it. No comply 180. Wow, I almost bodied on that. I'm really nervous to land primo. That's what I think it is. So also in my shoes, I have special insoles that I probably should just put in here. Might be cheating though, right? Let's do a nollie. Forgot how many tricks we're at, maybe 6. Nollie 180. We'll do our 180s the other way. Woo! Big spin. Dang it. The grip on the shoes feels pretty good. Gonna do fakey big spin. Little revert. So my friends are over there. Hey, Mom! Kickflip, I guess. Maybe fakey kickflip. Nollie flip, maybe? I'm really scared of nollie flip because this is where my foot broke right there. 2 screws. We don't want to do it again. Maybe we'll leave that one for another day. Full cab. Switch, front shove. Yes, sir. Switch shove. I'll take it. Nollie shove every direction. Okay, Aaron, you're really getting too old for this. Fakey shoves. Dang, I haven't landed a heel flip all day. I don't think I'm gonna start now, am I? Or am I, Chloe?
You are. Not.
Sometimes new shoes and heel flips. Oh, that would have just destroyed my broken foot. Sometimes new shoes and heel flips work. If I give it 100% full commitment right here and I land it, best shoes in the game. Dang it, I suck. Why? Dude, some days I have the heel flips great, some days they're just horrible. It's because I need to practice more. 10 minutes a day, every day. Okay, that landed?
Yeah.
Taking it, I'm taking that. Yay! Well, I've done a few kick flips. We're starting to see a little wear and tear here, which is good. Something I like about a new shoe is if it gets that kickflip feel and you really feel it good. Can I see the phone how much time is left?
Yeah.
8 freaking minutes, are you kidding me? When did we get so old? We're all too old to sheesh, my guy. It's hitting me more and more every day, that comment. You know, it's like freezing cold and you're scared to land it. Yes. Tray flip. Wow, Opus shoes with the tray flip first try. Landed so hard, my balls clapped together and now they're in pain.
Oh, Aaron.
What? Ouch! The Opus, they don't miss. Okay, tray revert. Okay, first try, best shoes ever. No way. No way. I don't know what else I got. See if I can ollie this cone. Yeah. Switch 180 maybe. Oh, I know. Switch back 180. Switch 360. Wow. How did I miss that? Count it?
Yep.
You think?
Yep.
Take it to the bank. Okay.
You got 5 more minutes. I bet you can do 15 more.
5 more minutes, maybe 5 more tricks.
No, 15 more. You got this.
Okay, I got you. 1, 2. That didn't count, just kidding. Okay, switch no comply though counts. 2. 3. 4. 5. Oh, switch back no comply. 6. I mean, it was regular, but it was back 180. Oh, I'm exhausted. 7. Monster walk. 8. Casper stall. 9. Poserville.
Strawberry milkshake.
Who gave this poser a channel? 10. 11. Let's see what else we got here. 12. What even was that?
I don't know.
Nobody knows. 13. I'll take that frontside flip.
Yeah.
That was not 14. 14, but really bad.
Okay, you got to do a heel flip for the last one.
I did a heel flip already.
Oh, you did?
15.
15.
So you get a little broken in, get a little warmed up, and all of a sudden I can heel flip.
Yeah.
I guess I'm not too old for this.
But you need to do one more because you already did a heel flip.
Oh yeah. So what are we at on the time?
You have 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah. You could probably do 10 more.
I'll think of something good.
Double kick flip.
Double kick flip? Oh, it's scary. Double flip for all the freedom fighters in the world.
Woo!
15.
That was 15.
Okay.
Now you have 1 minute and 46 seconds left.
Should I try to get over my fear of nollie flip in that 1 minute 46 seconds?
Absolutely.
It's like so stupid. It's like 100% mental, you know?
Yeah, because that's how you broke your foot.
Yeah, and not only that, but it's just those are the bones that actually flip the foot is the bone that I broke. Seriously?
Come on, Aaron, you don't have this.
Seriously? You said I what?
You can't do this.
You called my mama, huh? That's for Connie Cairo right there up in your face. Let's see if we can do it. Switch. I don't think I've done a switch one since the break. Wow. Okay, that was good. I felt good. I think I did everything I wanted to do, and now
Let's do a shove it for me.
accomplished my goals. I did a shove it already.
No, you did a pop shove it.
All right, this is for Chloe.
What is that?
It's a remake of the Thriller Michael Jackson music video. Model Honey Slip, color black white suede, style number 0S11000, size 10. I was looking for if it said anywhere on here that they were Volker Cupsole. It doesn't. I don't actually know. I like these shoes. They look good, they feel good. Once I break them in a little bit, they're really nice to skate. And yeah, the flick is really good. I feel like I can tell a shoe that I'll like based on that kick flip if it's really sucking the board up to my back foot. Which I feel like that is. I feel like it's giving me a nice flick right there, really grabbing the shoe. Boom, boom, boom. Bada boom, bada bing. All right, well, that's the Opus shoe review. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And we got everything you need to learn how to ride a skateboard at brailleskateboarding.com. Go and get it. Let's keep you rolling.